Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinese with Charlie. In today's video, we're going to talk about three movements. They are 去 to go, 去 来 to come, 来 回 to return, 回. And here we have very useful words that we use for everyday conversation. Let's have a look at them. 饭馆, 饭馆 restaurant. So, I'm going to the restaurant. 我去饭馆. 我去饭馆. I'm returning to the restaurant. 我回饭馆. 我回饭馆. Alright, next one. 酒店 hotel. Are you going to the hotel? 你去酒店吗? 你去酒店吗? When are you coming back to the hotel? 你什么时候回酒店? 你什么时候回酒店? Next one. 大学 大学 university. I'm not going to the university today. 我今天不去大学. 我今天不去大学. When are you coming to the university? 你什么时候来大学? 你什么时候来大学? Next one. 电影院电影院 cinema. 商店商店 store. 学校学校 school. 医院医院 hospital. 银行银行 bank. 火车站火车站 train station. And the last one, 家家 home. One thing we need to be careful. That is, when we say go home, if that's your own home, the place where you live, we never say 去家. And we never say 来家. We only say 回家. Alright? So just remember, when it's your own place and you're going there, going to your own place, then we always say 回家. We never say 去家 or 来家. And in another situation, we can use 去 and 来 with 家. That's when you're talking about somebody else's home. For example, friend's home, 朋友的家. So I'm going to my friend's place. 我去我朋友家. 我去我朋友家. In another situation, for example, I'm talking to my friends and I'm asking them, when are you coming to my place? So in this situation, my place, for them, is not their place. So for them, I would say, 你们什么时候来我家? Okay? 你们什么时候来我家? So just remember, if this 家 belongs to the subject, then we only say 回家. So this home actually belongs to me, so I only say 我回家. Okay, 我回家. Or sometimes we say he went home. He went home. So he went home means he went to his own place. So we will say 他回家了. 他回家了. So just remember this special case. Alright, now I have a takeaway for you today. Here we have 5 English sentences. Please translate them and leave your answers under this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like button, and share this video with those people who are also learning Chinese. And see you next time. Bye bye!